The world is changing, and so is Kuraray. As the demand for bio-derived materials increases, so does our portfolio for our customers. We have products that are derived from sugar and starch that complement many of our traditionally made products. Plantic starts in a cornfield. From there, we extract a special starch called amylose and amylopectin. Then the product is transformed into a sheet film. This film can be found in products like high-end chocolates and meat packaging. Completely transparent, compostable, and ripe with barrier properties, Plantic is truly one of a kind. Our farnesene products begin in the sugar field. This special sugar's alcohols are extracted and made into farnesene. These products are transformed into elastomer and liquid rubber products found in adhesives, tires, coatings, and other unique applications. Along with these biopolymer initiatives, Kuraray is committed to the creation of new products. Using pioneering technology, Kuraray invests 4% of its revenue each year into products that improve the environment and enhance the quality of life for all, for people and the planet, to achieve what no one else can. These products make our lives better, from convenience to comfort to protection. Kuraray materials are there to make a difference.